Alright, so once again, single box break of 2019 Panini Prizm. This is the Mega Box. Everyone has their divisions, but I will show them again. We've got Juvius Maximus with the AFC North, rated rookie with the NFC South, and AFC South, Jay Spivey with the AFC West and NFC East. Knobs with the NFC North and NFC East, and Ruben with the NFC West. Super quick, always be watching when a new product comes out because a lot of cards get sold way under value, in my opinion, and then they shoot up 500, 600% after that product dries up, and then I got them all. You know, I've been buying a lot of a certain Mosaic card over the past 48 hours, and I'm going to keep buying it as long as the prices are right. As long as the prices are right, we're just going to continue to buy. So, without further ado, good luck, everyone, and we will go ahead and get into it. 4 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Let me grab my trash can here, make it a little bit easier. Looking for those Kyler Murrays, maybe a nice DK Metcalf. Be nice if we could hit a big auto. Empty box. Oops. Sorry, there was one pack left in there. Go ahead and put that out. Alright, good luck to everybody. So what's the word? Did anybody find any Walmart Mosaic Megas today? Heard that we got some Walmart Mosaic Megas. They're starting to pop up on eBay. It'd be interesting to see if Walmart drops online this week. Hopefully they do. If you're in our Discord group, you know we've been waiting for a couple weeks now for good old Walmart to drop those Megas. It's me, AJ. What's good, my brother? I hear that. Definitely hear that. Looking for those Kyler Murrays in here, those DK Metcalfs. Looking for something nice. I think the last time we opened one of these, Gambino got a nice Kyler. I think he's got that at grading right now. Alright guys, here we go. I think that might be an auto right there. We shall see. All right, let's get into it. Good luck, everybody. First off, we've got that big Jalen Smith, Travis Kelce. That's going to be our auto, not who we're looking for, Dre Greenlaw. Dre Greenlaw going out to those 49ers. That will be going out to the 49ers. Who's got the NFC West? Ruben 0611, followed right behind it with a Scary Terry. Kids report. Scary Terry going out to the NFC East and Knobs. Let's get back into this. We got Big Geno Atkins, Alvin Kamara, George Kittle, John Ursua, never heard of this guy, for the Seattle Seahawks Knobs team. Maybe Knobs can tell us about this guy. Next up, we got that Robbie Anderson, Anthony Barr, Derek Carr, Raquel Armstead for those Jags. Kids report. It's going to be going out to the AFC South. Rated rookie. Willie Snead. Roger Staubach. Hype insert of J.J. Watt. Dexter Lawrence going out to the Giants. Keanu Neal. See if I can pull this down a little bit. Yeah, I like that better. We've got Chris Jones. This is kind of hot right here. A silver prism of Barry Sanders. That'll be going out to those Lions. Yeah, definitely like the camera closer, guys. Somebody should have told me that months ago. Barry Sanders silver going out to those Lions. Who has the NFC North knobs? I'll be going out to knobs. We got Damian Harris going out to the Patriots. Kids report. Kenny Stills. Miles Jack. Richard Sherman. Got a Irv Smith Jr. be going out to those Vikings. Right behind it, a John Brown. Archie Manning, and right behind Archie, not who we're looking for, Marquise Goodwin, the green pulsar that will be going out to the 49ers in the NFC West. Big Jarrett Stidham going to be going out to the Patriots. Kids report, Sterling Shepard, Geronimo Allison, Brandon Cooks, Hakeem Butler. Heard this guy actually transformed into a tight end. This guy's a tight end now. Jarvis Landry, Emmanuel Sanders. Right behind that is going to be a unstoppable prism of Aaron Donald. Sean Murphy Bunting going out to the Bucks. Kids report, Big Sammy D. Looks like he's going to be traded. Ian Thomas, Sean Alexander, and the back card is going to be Caden Smith going out to the 49ers. Probably going to throw another Prizm Mega up. Might throw up some retail Mosaic as well for members of the Discord group. If anybody wants a tag, feel free to send us a DM. But that's going to be it for the one box of Prizm, the Prizm 2019 Mega. Feel free to send us a DM if you have any questions about the services that we offer. Other than that, I'm out, guys. Everyone have a great night.